I was on everybody. It is James with AZ Crystal Clear Pressure Washing. Today we are doing my parents' property, also aka where I live. They've been bugging me to do it. I've yet to do it, so today I'm gonna do it. And right here we have the driveway. If you look, all types of marks on it, grease stains, oil leaking. Put some degreaser. Here's the walkway. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. Let's take a walk to the backyard. Walkway, patio. Let's keep walking. All types of stuff on it. It's been not trying to do it for a long time, but today I got to do it. So here it is. Here it is. I'm going to be doing a time-lapse video. It's also my first time shooting on the GoPro, so let's do it. Let's see how the GoPro footage comes out. Better than my phone, because phone takes up a lot of storage. So let's do it. What's going on? We're back. We just finished up everything about an hour ago, so everything's been drying. So right here is the driveway. What is it? It's a lot brighter than it was before. There's still a bunch of oil stains. I really didn't care for the oil stains because this driveway is always gonna have oil stains. These cars, truck, other cars. Right here's the walkway. Got pretty bright. Patio. You can still smell the bleach. It smells horrible. Take a walk to the backyard. Yeah, these oil stains are bad. They will always be bad. Here's the walkway. These, I don't even know if they're gonna dry up. This should come out really dry. So let's hope. Here's the back patio. A lot of these back, this house is what, 20 years old now. So a lot of these stands are just years and years. So, well, that was today's episode of Pressure Washing with Jimbo. I'm going to be trying to do a lot more YouTube videos, and yeah, to get things posted. And this is Arizona Pressure Washing. This is AZ Crystal Clear Pressure Washing LLC. This is James, and thank you.